Not saying I'm a culinary genius. Thick boy! Okay, so for my first official video of 2022, of course I have my recap. If you haven't seen that, go watch my recap of 2021. However, this is about a loaf of bread. This is about making my first loaf of bread ever. Mostly going to be following Joshua Weissman's recipe on YouTube, just because it's super easy to follow, super basic. So I've got my ingredients here, my coffee's ready. It's 9 in the morning and I work in just a few hours, so let's go ahead and get started. Milky, milky rye. Shout out to my mother-in-law for getting me this completely badass stand mixer. Oh my god, we have a ball. We have a loose ball. It's kind of cute. I don't know, whoever designed this hook thing deserves a raise. Probably was designed back in 1942. Look at all the work I don't have to do by hand because my mother-in-law loves me. Okay, so first learn. I think I let the dough go for too long because now it's like already like a formed ball, and I'm trying to add the butter and okay, I think I fixed it. It's like a dancer. I think we actually are at a good place. It's all like a nice little ball now again. Guys, look how cute it looks. It's so cute, look. Thick boy! Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Thick boy's nice and fluffy now. From the big bulbous moment that it was to back kind of down to where it was degassed, as they call it. Not saying I'm a culinary genius. Not saying I'm a culinary genius or anything, but I have to grease this pan, and I have a bowl that I had the butter in, and I'm just using the leftover of that because that just makes sense. Hopefully I have enough. Why waste? Why just, you know, that was butter that was just gonna get thrown away. Just scraping the bottom of the barrel here, but I think I'll have enough for a lightly greased pan. You guys are gonna be the best of friends.
Then using a rolling pin, roll your dough into a rectangle about a ½ inch thick.
It's the size of the pan. Oh my god, it's adorable. So I actually have to go to work now, but from what I'm reading, you can let the dough set for longer than what they normally say, assuming it's not at room temperature. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and I'm basically just gonna let it rise the entire time I'm at work, and maybe make it whenever I get home. All right. Hey Siri, set a 40-minute bread timer.
Bread timer.
Time to get this bread. Oh my god, our little thick boy, honey.
Wow, your first loaf of bread, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ever, right?
Ever. Oops, that was the wrong side of the knife. Oh my god, it looks so good.
I love it.
You love it? Oh, it's full.